How to buy Butthole whole coin token. Before we begin, please remember that this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so always make sure to do your own research before investing in any project you find on my channel. Now, before purchasing the Butthole coin token, make sure to check out their official account. As you can see, they have a growing community, and it's important to follow their updates for the latest news about the token. Let's go over how to buy the Butthole coin token. Here's the step-by-step process. Check token statistics. First, check out the token's performance. For example, this token has increased by 1,000% in the last 24 hours and by 30% in the last 5 minutes. It has 99% of liquidity locked, meaning it's a relatively safe investment. The token is also based on the Solana network. Create an account on DX Screener. If you don't already have an account on DX Screener, go ahead and create one. Once logged in, open the page for the Butthole coin token and copy its token address. Open Phantom Wallet. Next, open your Phantom Wallet. If you don't have it yet, install it and create your wallet. Once you're in the wallet, click on Swap to begin the purchase process. Ensure you have Solana, SOL. Make sure you have enough Solana, SOL, in your wallet to make the purchase. If you don't, you'll need to add some SOL to your Phantom Wallet. Paste token address and select amount. After that, click on the token input field and paste the Butthole coin token address you copied earlier. Then, click on the token. Enter the amount you want to buy. You'll be able to see how much of the token you'll receive. Select your provider. Choose a provider for the transaction. For example, Jupiter is one of the options. Be sure to read all the information before proceeding. Confirm and swap. Once you've reviewed everything, click on Swap. You will be redirected to the Jupiter provider to complete the transaction. Adjust slippage if needed. If you encounter any issues while making the purchase, you can return to the page and adjust the slippage tolerance, e.g., try 0.3%, 1%, or custom, to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully purchased the Butthole coin token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.